It's a 2018 Audi Q5. Its sharp design makes it instantly recognizable. Its elegance and capability make it unmistakably an Audi. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, auto-dimming mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, Bluetooth streaming audio, Audi Advanced Key, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and power heated mirrors. Edmunds.com notes it's easy to see why the Q5 has such a broad appeal, being a favorite pick for active singletons and small families alike. Revolutionary engineering, progressive design, Audi. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Thank you for looking at this quality pre-owned vehicle from Audi Cary, a Leith dealership. We're located at 600 Auto Park Boulevard in Cary, North Carolina.